Rashtriya Shikshana Samiti Trust, headed by Dr. M.K. Pandurang Shetty, with Sri A.V.S. Murthy as Secretary, Sri D.P. Nagaraj as Joint Secretary, Madam Maya Chandra as Trustee RSST, is a well-known name in the field of education. We are indeed proud to be a part of the RSST. NMKRB PU College is an innovative, self-reliant institution committed to defining the future of the students. We are geared up with both online and offline education so that we do not lose out on the quality of education and experience, especially during this time of pandemic. A very good morning to our esteemed guests, principal, my colleagues, parents, and dear students. A warm welcome to the virtual inauguration of first PUC classes. Let us begin today's inaugural function with an invocation song by Abhishant, our second year PU student.
Mamavatu Shri Saraswati Mamavatu Shri Saraswati Mamavatu Shri Saraswati Kamakoti Pitha Nivasini Kamakoti Pitha Nivasini Mamavatu Shri Saraswati Kamakoti Pitha Nivasini Mamavatu Shri Saraswati. Komalakara Saroja Trutaveena Komalakara Saroja Trutaveena Komalakara Saroja Trutaveena Komalakara Saroja Trutaveena Simatirthavadava Vibhushana Simatirthavadava Vibhushana Mamavatu Shri Saraswati Kamakoti Pitha Nivasini Mamavatu Shri Saraswati.
Thank you, Abhishant, for invoking God's blessings in the auspicious day. There are two ways of spreading light, to be the candle or the mirror reflecting it. I now request our guests to kindly light the lamp of knowledge and kindness. Thank you, madam. I now request Srimati Sheila Prakash, HOD, Department of Kannada, to welcome the guests and students.
ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿರುವ ಗಣ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಹಾಗೂ ನನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಸಹೋದ್ಯೋಗಿಗಳಿಗೆ, ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಮಿತ್ರರಿಗೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಪೋಷಕರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಸಪ್ರೇಮ ವಂದನೆಗಳು. ಆತ್ಮೀಯರೇ, ತಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿದಂತೆ ನಾವಿಂದು 2021-22 ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಸಾಲಿನ ಪ್ರಥಮ PUC ತರಗತಿಗಳ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನಾ ಸಮಾರಂಭಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಜ್ಞಾನದಿಂದಲೇ ಇಹವು ಜ್ಞಾನದಿಂದಲೇ ಪರವು, ಜ್ಞಾನವಿಲ್ಲದಿರೆ ಸಕಲವೂ ತನಗಿದ್ದು ಹಾನಿ ಕಾಣೆಯ ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞ ಎಂಬ ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞನ ಮಾತಿನಂತೆ ಜ್ಞಾನದ ಮಹತ್ವ ಅರಿತ ಪೂಜ್ಯರಾದ ನಾಗರತ್ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಘ ಕಸ್ತೂರಿ ರಂಗಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ದಂಪತಿಗಳ ಮಹತ್ವಾಕಾಂಕ್ಷೆಯಿಂದ 1971ರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾದ ನಮ್ಮ NMKRV ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ಕಾಲೇಜು ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗಾಗಿ ರೂಪುಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು, ಕಳೆದ 2 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಈ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಭಾಗವಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿರಂತರ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸೇವೆ ನೀಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದೀಗ ತನ್ನ 50ನೇ ವರ್ಷದ ಸುವರ್ಣ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವಕ್ಕೆ ಅಡಿ ಇಡುವುದರ ಮೂಲಕ ಈ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ವರ್ಷವು ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಇತಿಹಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಗುರುತರವಾದ ಮೈಲಿಗಲ್ಲನ್ನು ಸ್ಥಾಪಿಸಿದೆ ಎಂದರೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಲಾರದು. ಇಂತಹ ಮಹತ್ವಪೂರ್ಣ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ವರ್ಷದ ಪ್ರಥಮ PU ತರಗತಿಗಳ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಗಣ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳು ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ್ದು, ಅವರ ಕಿರು ಪರಿಚಯದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಈ ಸಮಾರಂಭಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರನ್ನ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಲು ಇಚ್ಛಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಮಿತಿ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ನ ಗೌರವ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಯಾಗಿರುವ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ AVS ಮೂರ್ತಿ ಅವರು ಅನಿವಾರ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲಾಗದಿದ್ದರೂ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಮೂಲಕ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಹಿತನುಡಿಗಳನ್ನ ನೀಡಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಶ್ರೀಯುತ AVS ಮೂರ್ತಿ ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮದೇ ಆದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಆಡಳಿತ ವೈಖರಿಯ ಮೂಲಕ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಹಲವು ದಶಕಗಳಿಂದ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನ ಪರಿಗಣಿಸಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಅವರಿಗೆ ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನ ನೀಡಿ ಗುರುತಿಸಿರುವುದು ಅವರ ಹೆಗ್ಗಳಿಕೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಇಂಥವರ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಪ್ರಗತಿ ಪಥದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದು, ಅವರಿಗೆ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಮಿತಿ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ನ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಹಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತು ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನ ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈ ಸಮಾರಂಭದ ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬ ಗಣ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿ ಮಾಯಾಚಂದ್ರ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು. ಮಾಯಾಚಂದ್ರ ಅವರು ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅತ್ಯದ್ಭುತ ಸಂವಹನ ಪರಿಣಿತರಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಇಂದು ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮದೇ ಆದ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಗುರುತನ್ನ ಮೂಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮೂಲತಃ ಬೋಸ್ಟನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಸ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸಮೂಹ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ನಾತಕೋತ್ತರ ಪದವಿ ಪಡೆದು ನಂತರ ಕೊಲಂಬಿಯಾ ಬ್ರಾಡ್ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ತಾಯ್ನಾಡಿಗೆ ಮರಳಿದವರು. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಷ್ಟೇ ಅಸ್ತಿತ್ವ ಕಂಡುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಫಿಲಂ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಪರಿಣತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸೃಜನಶೀಲ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಂಶೋಧನಾತ್ಮಕ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಿಂದ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಿ ತಮ್ಮದೇ ಆದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ನೀಡುವುದರ ಮೂಲಕ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದ ಸಾಧಕರ ಪುಸ್ತಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಗಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ನ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಮಹಿಳಾ ಸಾಧಕಿ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನ ಮುಡಿಗೇರಿಸಿದವರು. ಜಾಗತಿಕ ಜಗತ್ತಿನ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕವನ್ನ ಮುನ್ನಡೆಸಲು ಸರ್ಕಾರ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಹಲವಾರು ಪ್ರಗತಿಪರ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳಿಗೆ ಪೂರಕವಾಗಿ ಹಲವು ಸಾಕ್ಷ್ಯಚಿತ್ರಗಳನ್ನ ನಿರ್ಮಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟ ಹೆಗ್ಗಳಿಕೆ ಅವರದು. ಅವುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವನ್ನ ಹೆಸರಿಸುವುದಾದರೆ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು IT ಉದ್ಯಮದ ಪ್ರಚಾರಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ದ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಮೇಕ್ IT ಯುವರ್ಸ್ ಎಂಬ ಸಾಕ್ಷ್ಯಚಿತ್ರ ಮತ್ತು ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನ ಪರಿಗಣಿಸಿ ಅವರು ರೂಪಿಸಿರುವಂತಹ ಪೋರ್ಟಿಸ್ ಜೀವಿಸಿ ಜಯಿಸಿ ಎನ್ನುವ ಸಾಕ್ಷ್ಯಚಿತ್ರ ಮತ್ತು ಕನ್ನಡ ಚಿತ್ರೋದ್ಯಮಕ್ಕೆ 75 ವರ್ಷ ತುಂಬಿದ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮೃತ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವ ಎಂಬ ಕಿರುಚಿತ್ರ ಹಾಗೂ ಕಡ್ಡಾಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದ ಹಕ್ಕನ್ನ ಕುರಿತು ಪುನೀತ್ ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರ ಜೊತೆ ಅವರು ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಿದ ರೀತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ್ ಕುರಿತಾದಂತೆ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫೆನಾಮಿನನ್ ಚಿತ್ರ, ಇದು ಹಲವಾರು ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಸಿನಿಮೋತ್ಸವಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ಕಂಡು ವೀಕ್ಷಕರ ಮೆಚ್ಚುಗೆಯನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸಿದೆ. ಕನ್ನಡ ಜೀವಸ್ವರ ಎಂಬ ಸಂಗೀತ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ SP ಬಾಲಸುಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣ್ಯ ಸುಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣ್ಯಂ, ಪಲ್ಲವಿ, ಜಯಶ್ರೀ ಮತ್ತಿತರ 18 ಜನ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ ಸಂಗೀತಗಾರರ ಸ್ವರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂಡಿ ಬಂದ ಈ ಜೀವ ಸ್ವರಕ್ಕೆ ಜಯಂತ್ ಕಾಯ್ಕಿಣಿ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯವನ್ನ ಒದಗಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದರೊಂದಿಗೆ ನೇತ್ರದಾನದ ಮಹತ್ವವನ್ನ ಹೇಳುವ ಅನ್ ಐ ಫಾರ್ ಅನ್ ಐ ಎಂಬ ಕಿರುಚಿತ್ರ ಬಹಳ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ನೇತ್ರದಾನದ ಮಹತ್ವವನ್ನ ಕುರಿತು ವೀಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೆ ತನ್ನದೇ ಆದ ಕೊಡುಗೆಯನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಇದಲ್ಲದೆ ಸಾಧನೆಯ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮದೇ ಆದ ಯಶೋಗಾಥೆಯನ್ನ ಒಳಗೊಂಡಂತಹ ಕಿರಣ್ ಮಂಜುದಾರ್, ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್ ಗೋಪಿನಾಥ್, VS ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥ ಇಂಥವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವರ ಯಶಸ್ಸಿನ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನ ಹೇಳುವ ಒಂದು ಕಿರುಚಿತ್ರಗಳು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧವಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದಲ್ಲದೆ ಎಂ ವಿಶ್ವೇಶ್ವರಯ್ಯ, ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಪಡುಕೋಣೆ, ಪುಟ್ಟಣ್ಣ ಕಣ್ಗಾಲ್ ಇತ್ಯಾದಿ 15 ಮಂದಿ ಜನಪ್ರಿಯ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳ ಕುರಿತ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಚಿತ್ರಗಳನ್ನ ನಿರ್ಮಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲದರೊಂದಿಗೆ ವಿಶೇಷ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರತಿಭಾನ್ವಿತ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಮಹಿಳಾ ಸಾಧಕಿಯಾಗಿ ಅಪರೂಪವಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸಿಕೊಂಡ ಮಾಯಾ ಚಂದ್ರ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮದೇ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಬಹಳ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯಿಂದ ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ಘಾಟನಾ ಸಮಾರಂಭವನ್ನ ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸುವ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಈಗ ಪ್ರಥಮ PUCಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಇಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೇ ಬೆಂಚಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋದಂತ ಒಬ್ಬ ಅದ್ಭುತ ಸಾಧಕಿಯ ಪರಿಚಯ ನಿಮ್ಗಾದ್ರೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಾಧನೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಮಹದಾಸೆ ನಮ್ಗಿದೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಇದೇ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದಂತ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಜನ ತಮ್ಮದೇ ಆದಂತ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಹೆಸರು ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧಿ ಕೀರ್ತಿಗೆ ಕಾರಣರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆಯಾಗುವ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ರಿಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಸಾಧನೆಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋ ಆಶಯವನ್ನ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈ ಮೂಲಕ ನಿಜವಾದ ಅರ್ಥದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹಿಳಾ ಸಾಧಕಿಯಾಗಿರುವ ಮಾಯಾ ಚಂದ್ರ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಗವರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವುದು ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಎಂದು ಭಾವಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ಸಮಾರಂಭಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರನ್ನ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ನ ಪರವಾಗಿ, ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಹಾಗೂ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಹಾಗೆ 34 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಸಂಖ್ಯಾಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರಾಗಿ, ಜನಪ್ರಿಯ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕಿಯಾಗಿ, ಇದೀಗ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾಗಿ ಸಮರ್ಥವಾಗಿ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಕನಕವಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಸಹ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಹಾಗೂ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನ ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆರೆದಿರುವ ನನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಸಹೋದ್ಯೋಗಿಗಳು, ಬೋಧಕ ಮತ್ತು ಬೋಧಕೇತರ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಿಗೂ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಪರವಾಗಿ, ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಮಿತಿ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ನ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಹಾಗೂ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನ ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇದೀಗ ಒಂದು ಕೇಸ್ನವರ ಮಾತಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಹಸೆಮಣೆ ಏರುವರಾದರೆ ಆರತಿಗೆ ಜನ ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರೇ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇ ಇದ್ರು ಅವರ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನ ಆಲಿಸಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿನ ಸಂಗತಿಗಳನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋ ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಮಂತಹ ಮುಗ್ಧ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎದುರಿಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಮಾರಂಭಕ್ಕೆ ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಅರ್ಥವನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕಾಣಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. ವಾಸ್ತವವಾಗಿ 50ನೇ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಲಿಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಪ್ರಥಮ PUC ಉದ್ಘಾಟನಾ ಸಮಾರಂಭವನ್ನ ನಾವು ನಿಜವಾಗಿಯೂ ಈ ಕರೋನಾದ ಒಂದು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಮಂಗಳ ಮಂಟಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಪೋಷಕರು ಮತ್ತು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ನಡುವೆ ಅತ್ಯದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ನಡೆಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇತ್ತು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಕರೋನಾ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದ ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ಒಂದು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ತರಗತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ನ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಯ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಹಾಗೆ ನಾವು ಸಹ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾತರರಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅಂತಹ ದಿನಗಳು ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಬರ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹಾರೈಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೂ ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಭರವಸೆ ಇಟ್ಟು ಮುಂದಿನ ಭವಿಷ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ತನ್ನ ಮನಗಳ ಧನವನ್ನ ಅರ್ಪಿಸಿ ತ್ಯಾಗ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತಹ ಪೋಷಕರು ಸಹ ಕಾತರದಿಂದ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಸಹ ನಾನು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಮಿತಿ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ನ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತು ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನ ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈ ಮೂಲಕ ನನ್ನ ಈ ಮಾತಿಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನ ಅರ್ಪಿಸುತ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತನ್ನ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Thank you, madam. A man of vast knowledge, vision and foresight is the Secretary of RSST, Shri AVS Murthy. I request you, sir, to address our first PUC students.
Principal Ms. Kanakavalli, teaching and non-teaching staff, parents, guests, invitees and freshers. A very good morning to all of you. It is my pleasure to welcome you all as we officially begin the academic year of 21-22. I am particularly delighted to welcome the new batch of first PU students who will be beginning their academic journey here at NMKRV PU College and becoming a part of the RV family. The past 18 months have tested the endurance of organizations and institutions across the world as we strive for safety and stability against this pandemic. I am happy to state that as an educational institution, we have successfully overcome the odds for the continuation of quality education for all. And I am grateful to the teachers for their resourcefulness and the students for their eagerness to learn that helped achieve this massive feat. As we commence the new academic year amidst fears of another wave, I would like to assure everyone that there will be no compromises on the safety of students and staff members and on the academic advantage, both online and offline, which has been consistent at NMKRV PU College since inception. Furthermore, I also request everyone who is eligible to get the vaccinations at the earliest so that we can successfully fight this pandemic together. I would also like to thank all the faculty members of the college for doing their absolute best in maintaining the academic standards that have defined the distinguished repute of this institution. I wish all the students a successful year full of accomplishments, both academic and co-curricular, that will define their future as global leaders who are enlightened with the knowledge to go change the world. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for your encouraging words. A dynamic and ever encouraging Madam Maya Chandra, Chairman, Governing Council of NMKRV PU College, is a well-known personality. I now request you, Madam, to address our first PUC students.
Good morning, my dear students, and welcome you all to this virtual launch of your first PUC classes. Let me first congratulate you on making the right choice of a college for your very vital PUC education. NMKRV College is a college that belongs to the legacy of the RV institutions. We have a legacy for excellence in education. We are about 20 institutions under the RV banner with a tagline of Go Change the World. What we expect from all of you is that you will take this excellence in education and go out into the world tomorrow to change the world. This is the legacy that each one of you should keep up as passing out of the RV institution. We welcome you to this exciting 2 years of your life, a life-changing course of education for you, where you're going to enter from college, from schooling to college, and you're going to go and change the world. And we are very confident that after coming into NMKRV, you will shine like no other student. We wish you all the very best, and I personally look forward to meeting each and every one of you in the days to come. We hope to overcome the challenges of COVID, and hopefully we will be back to normal classes. But till then, we look forward to all of you participating in the online classes and the virtual classes, in the online classes and the physical classes, and look forward to making your 2 years here most fruitful. I wish you all the very best and look forward to meeting each and every one of you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a great year.
Thank you, Madam. It is always wonderful to have former students share the success they have encountered. Sneha Bhattacharya from Science student, Pallavi from Commerce, Sharanya from Arts, to share your experience with our first PUC students.
Hello, my name is Sneha Bhattacharya. I studied in NMKRV PU College from 2019 to 2021. I can proudly say that I've scored 594 out of 600 in science stream here. The days at my college were really good. The teachers were really very supportive, and they helped me throughout my journey in my college. All the marks that I've scored would not be possible without the help of my teachers. During the COVID time, which was a really very challenging time, we had online classes. The online classes were the best that were conducted. It was conducted on YouTube. Even then, the teachers made sure that we understand each and everything that was taught to us. We had timely doubt sessions where we could ask our questions and they clarified all our doubts. We could approach the teachers whenever we wanted, and I take pride in saying that I studied in one of the best PU colleges in Karnataka.
Hi everyone, I am Pallavi. I am from NMKRV Institution. Firstly, to talk about my experience with this college is very wonderful experience, and the teaching staff here are very good and very bundle of talents. And they have been helped me a lot of things, and they have been taught me so many things, so that because of only those things I have been secured these percentage of marks, and I am very happy to be here. And the environment of this college is very huge, and I thank you all.
Congratulations Sharanya on becoming the topper of 2021 batch. So how do you feel about it?
I'm extremely delighted about it, and thank you so much. But before sharing my experience, I really want to congratulate you for your academic excellence.
Thank you.
Okay, so come to share my experience. I think first of all, when I was trying to discover my interests, I developed keen interest in humanities because of its dynamics, vastness of the field, and the career opportunities that it provides. I hence decided to join NMKRV, and I must say it's indeed the best choice I've made. Because my 2 years at NMKRV was extremely amazing. Like, we had a lot of fests, we met a good bunch of people. We met the faculty here is so amazing, and we also had made a lot of memories in like dance competitions and college day, etc. What about you, Nidhi? Like, why did you choose humanities?
Well, to start with, my score was 576 on 600, and then I couldn't do it without the help of teachers. But to first begin with why I choose humanities. From my high school days, I was interested in social science subjects, and I wanted to pursue my passion into career, so decided to choose humanities. And when I first came to NMKRV, I was just scouting for colleges, and then I had a chance to interact with the HODs that day. They were so heartwarming and welcoming that I was like, yes, NMKRV is the right choice. And yes, here I am graduating out today, and I'm really happy because it was one of the great decisions I made. So what are you doing right now? What are your career options?
Okay, so since I scored 592 on 600, I opted for triple major in humanities, and my current subjects are psychology, sociology, and English, and I'm pursuing this at Christ. And I further want to say that my future career plans are just that I want to pursue do a master's in psychology and just do specialization in a field of my interest. Further, I really want to add that humanities in general has a wide range of career options. Like, for example, there's mass media studies. You can work as a journalist, you can be a director, screenwriter, or any field of your interest. If you're a language enthusiast, then literature is always your option. Then there's always a vast range of specializations in psychology. So I think it's always necessary for you all to choose humanities not as a compulsion but as a choice, and make wise decisions while you're trying to choose your career field. What's your views about the same? What are you pursuing?
Currently, I joined Flame University. It's a private institute in Pune, and it's a liberal arts college. To brief you about a liberal arts curriculum, because it's a very new concept to India, it's where you are given the opportunity to explore your subjects first and then decide what you want to major and minor in. Currently, in fact, this year itself, there's RV Institute has opened a liberal arts curriculum as well. So people who are interested must check out. It has a great set of opportunities, and you come out with a lot of skill set and connections which will build your future career. So there are many opportunities all over India too, but you should, if you are interested to pursue it, you should definitely look for it. And then in terms of career, there's a general notion that people who do good in school and choose humanities stream civil service is the only option, but apart from that, there are jobs in international level as well. You can try to become a diplomat or an ambassador, work as an IFS officer, or also search for jobs in UNO. Or anytime who love reading, anyone who loves reading can go to research field as well. So there's a diverse amount of options. So don't consider humanities as a laid back field, because with this skill set you can do anything and everything you want to be or aspire to be. Lastly, faculty at NMKRV has really helped me, groom this well, and I'm so fortunate to meet this amazing bunch who has always encouraged me and supported me to the fullest. Even during our online classes, they were so supportive and always, pushing us to explore ourselves. So I'm really glad that I made the right choice of joining NMKRV. Saranya, what do you want to share about this?
I really want to take this opportunity to thank all the teachers, because through the span of 2 years, they made sure that we're all staying connected, and the efforts that they put even in online mode was really motivating for us to pursue our studies, and I think that played a really major role for me to even score well. So I think I just want to say that it was indeed a very nice choice to join NMKRV, and I had the best 2 years of my life, and it's going to be special and memorable forever.
So lastly, I want to tell some tips to my juniors is don't always focus on your academics, because your co-curriculars are as much as important as your academics. When you're applying abroad or going to private universities, they look for a holistic admission process where your co-curriculars play an extensive role. So please focus on building up your portfolio, because that will always enhance your chances of getting into your dream university. Any tips you want to add?
I think I would just say primarily just have a basic plan, even if it's abstract, no time constraint, but just make sure you fulfill certain daily goals, both academic and personal. Have certain skills that makes you stand out from people, and just reach out to people, and don't hesitate to reach out when you have certain doubts. And at the end of the day, it's all the networking, the people you meet, the knowledge you gain is what you'll be taking back home. So yeah, just make complete use of it and just do your best in everything.
Lastly, I would just like to say that NMKRV was a great decision I made, and I would never regret it because of the friends, the faculty and the atmosphere they provided me. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for inspiring our students. May I now request our principal, who is an epitome of discipline yet very accommodative and approachable to the staff and students alike, to speak to our students.
Good morning to one and all. A special good morning to all the enthusiastic students who have joined afresh to the RV family, and also to their parents. As you all are aware that classes cannot be conducted in the usual manner because of the norms of the COVID-19, we at NMKRV PU run offline and online classes in parallel. Offline classes are classes where you come physically to the college, sit in the class and learn directly from the teacher. Online classes are those where you sit at home, log into the concerned ID, which will be supplied to you, which will be given to you in your timetable or along with your timetable. And that is where you sit at home and learn. They are the online classes. So there should be no confusion. Offline is you're coming to college. Online, you're at home and doing the same learning at home itself during the same class hours. In this connection, I would like to give you some instructions which you all have to strictly follow. Firstly, I start with online classes. Our online classes will be conducted on Zoom. So the first and the foremost important point is each one of you have to download the Zoom app either in your mobile or on your laptop. I repeat, Zoom only classes agodrinda. Each one of you should have to download the Zoom app either on your mobile or on a laptop, depending on the system you are having. The second point, to follow the timetable as mailed to you. You will be the timetable will be mailed to you shortly. So according to the timetable, you strictly follow the timetable. You need to log in through the Zoom ID and passcode given for each session in the timetable. So different subjects will be there in different hours. So our concerned teachers, yaru anta, we are going to send along with the timetable. So our teachers in a email ID, passcode, ella kottirtive. So our passcode, our ಒಂದು ID ಇಂದ you have to log in for that specific hour. This is the understanding of the third point. Need to log in through Zoom ID and passcode given for each session in the timetable. Okay. Particularly when you are logging in to the first hour of the day, log in 5 minutes earlier to the scheduled time. 5 minutes earlier. So we start classes from 10. So you are expected to log in at least 5 minutes earlier. And as you enter, as you log in, you have to enter your name in the chat option. You have to enter your name in the chat option. And then, very important, please mute your audio and video unless asked by the lecturer. So unless the lecturer asks you a question to answer, only then you will unmute and answer. Until then, you will keep both of them muted. Then suppose in case of emergency, there could be a change in the timetable. Instead of a particular teacher taking the class, there could be somebody else who's going to take a class. As you are online, we will be intimating that through your WhatsApp group. So make sure that you're looking into all such data. So any changes in the timetable will be notified through the WhatsApp group. So all of you know in which group you are, who are all your class advisors. Through them, you will get the regular information. So notify through the WhatsApp group and you will join accordingly with the suitable Zoom ID. So yava teacher didyo Zoom ID nimatra irutte, ID inda you will have to log in and take the class. Okay, these are all the points, very important points, because as you're doing the online class, and at home you are trying to take lessons from us. So avaga these are all the points. Zoom time app irbeku, timetable nimu follow madkobeku, yava ID tagobeku, yava passcode enter agbeku annadella you will have to be very sure of. All right, these are what I call as the do's. On the online classes, this is what you have to supposed to do. And very important, because you're on online, you're at home, very relaxed. Certain things we would expect you to avoid. And very seriously, I'm going to note down these points. So make sure you don't fall into trouble. So the first thing, any kind of chatting or disturbance in the live session will be noted very seriously. Suppose a student is observed doing this, he or she will not be permitted to attend to further classes. Second, as each session is going to be recorded, any misbehavior like playing music or making sounds, some noises, will also be viewed very seriously. The third important point, you are online, you are in a different place, we are in a different place. In the place where we are running the online classes for you, we could have fluctuations in power, or we could have some network issues. So avaga, please stay there. Okay? Online class and login agittaralla, you have to be there. You should not log out until you get further instructions from the concerned lecturer. Yavado lecturer paಠ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, power problem ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, network issue, ಅದು 5 ನಿಮಿಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿನೂ ಹೋಗಬಹುದು. Make sure you don't log out and go off hour ಪೂರ್ತಿ until you get any information from your concerned lecturer. You are not supposed to log out. And then most importantly, do not share the link with any group or individual. This link, what you're going to get about classes, should not be shared. We only want our students to participate and learn from us. So you are not supposed to do this. All this should be avoided. Don't. These are all the things which you are not supposed to involve with. Now, coming to the offline classes. Offline is where you come to college and learn from us directly. So while attending offline classes, the following instructions. As we start classes at 10, here again, the same applies there also. Coming to college before 5 or 10 minutes, so that you are in the class, and as the teacher enters, online classes shuru agutte. So if you keep coming late, it will be disturbing the whole class on the online classes also. So therefore, you're expected to be there. So if you come late beyond 10, I will not permit you to go into your respective classes. And as you enter the campus, you all should be having your IDs. So right now, first few days, probably your IDs will not be with you, no matter. But then gradually, as you're given one, after that day, probably we will not entertain anyone without an ID to enter the campus. This is the identification we are going to have. So only with that, we will allow you into the campus. All right. Then after you enter the campus, most important things, you are expected to maintain complete discipline. Follow dress code. By dress code, I mean the girls particularly, I expect them to have a churidar being worn, or even if you're wearing a jeans pant, but the top should be long enough and decent enough. And then for the boys, we expect you not to wear t-shirts, wear shirts, no, the stitched jeans pants or the torn jeans pants, and make sure your hairstyles are also decent enough. Okay, so all that should be followed. And very important, because of the COVID around and you're all not vaccinated, keep a safe distance from each other. Okay, don't get excited to see your friend go close. It's risky. So keep a safe distance. Avoid crowding in a place. Avoid standing together in a mass in any place. And standing in corridors in free time. So free time ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸಹಜವಾಗಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಬಂದ್ರೂನು you're not going to stand in the corridors. If you're free by chance, you will use the library to read books and spend that particular hour when you are free. Okay, then should carry, very important, the next point for offline classes, when you are coming, you should all carry your own lunch boxes. 12 to 12:30 lunch hour irutte. Lunch box, water bottle, sanitizer ಒಂದು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಿ. So time and again, please wash your hands. We have the washroom, we have facilities, but still it's better you hold your own sanitizers. Make sure you don't share your lunch or water bottle with your friends, all for your safety. Safety is first now, therefore. And one more thing, don't come to me saying, I have not got my lunch. I will not permit you, because it is risky to send you out from the campus for a lunch outside in the hotel. So make sure your lunch is being brought by yourselves, and of course the water bottle. So these are the common points for the offline classes. So these are points on the offline classes. Commonly, what I would like to say, whether it's an offline class you're attending or an online class, attendance is going to be compulsory. So if you are given the offline classes, you're here on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. If you are allotted an online class, you will be there on those days on online class, the same Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. First batch will come Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday offline. The other batch will be online on those days. Adhe tara Thursday, Friday, Saturday, the second batch will come offline and the rest will be on the online. So this is the pattern we are going to follow. So make sure there will be no changes from the offline to online or online to offline. So I'm in offline, I want to go to I'm coming Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, let me go to the next batch and odella. Don't ask for such changes. It will not be permitted. We have other issues attached to it, particularly practicals and the shuru adaga. Some issues will raise. So hagagi, no such changes will be provided. No such changes will be entertained. All right. And then very importantly, the last point I would like to say, all of you who are coming offline class, probably the first batch will come to college on Wednesday. Tomorrow we are having only the online classes, that is Tuesday. So Wednesday, when the first batch of offline classes students come, all of you should be carrying a consent letter from your parents. Okay? Your parents are ready to send you to the campus and learn. Another now, the consent letter mentioning your name and section with the signature of the parents should be there. Adhe tara, when the other set of students, probably they will come on Thursday, the second batch will come on Thursday. They all should carry the same consent letter mentioning the section and of course the name of the student along with the parent's signature. Okay, so with this I will stop. Wishing you all the very best, a happy stay, a safe stay, and healthy stay, and a successful stay. With all good wishes, I end my today's address. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. We have come to the end of this program, but the program does not end without a thank you. I request Srimati Brahmari Pandey, Head of the Department of English, to introduce the class advisors and propose the vote of thanks.
If the egg is broken from outside, life ends. But if the egg is broken from inner force, life begins. So we are all here to make a difference to the lives of our PU students in NMKRV. I strongly believe what Ralph Emerson has rightly said. The secret in education lies in respecting the students. Coming together is a beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. So let me sail you through the list of class advisors. The class advisors will meet you after the inaugural function. You can join them through the Zoom meet. The class advisors are FSA, Srimati Lakshmi Devi, Department of Kannada. FSB, Srimati Rajeshwari, Department of Maths. FSC, Srimati Anusha R, Department of Physics. FSD, Srimati Ashwini, Department of Biology. FSE, Srimati Soumya, Department of Math. FCA, Shri Bhavani Shankar, Department of Commerce. FCB, Srimati Sandhya, Department of Economics. FCC, Kumari Bhavya, Department of Statistics. FCD, Srimati Mahalakshmi, Department of Computer Science. FAA, Srimati Manjula Devi, Department of Sociology. FAB, Srimati Lata, Department of History. After the function, they will meet you, guide you, instruct you through the Zoom meet. I deem it a pleasure and great honor to propose the oath of thanks on this memorable day. Let me first thank Abhishant for his soulful rendition from SSE. On behalf of the college, the principal, and the staff, let me take this opportunity to thank our Honorary Secretary, Shri AVS Murthy Sir, RSST, for his words of encouragement. His able guidance has always encouraged us. Heartfelt thanks to our Honorary Joint Secretary, DPN Sir, for his constant support. Thanks to our Registrar, Shahmir Sir, for his wishes and support. My heartfelt thanks to the Chief Guest of today's function and Governing Council Chairperson of NMKRV PU College, extremely dynamic, very resourceful Madam Maya Chandra. Thank you, ma'am, for your support, your vision, and encouragement that you have been always giving. Heartfelt thanks to our toppers for sharing their thoughts and experience of their stay in NMKRV PU College. Science, Sneha Bhattacharya. Commerce, Pallavi. Arts, Sharanya, in conversation with Nidhi. I thank the principal for her unstinted support for this inaugural function and for the inspiring words, advice, and the instructions that Madam has given to our PU students. I thank Ma'am Sheila Prakash, HOD, Kannada, for welcoming the chief guest, the guests, parents, and students. My thanks to our teaching staff for their support. A special mention to Srimati Padmashri, HOD, Computer Science Department, along with her team, Mahalakshmi, for helping with the technical support to make this function a grand success. I owe special gratitude to the non-teaching staff who have worked hard to ensure that this day becomes a memorable one. I thank the parents who took their time off and joined us virtually along with their wards. My thanks to our beloved students who are going to be with us for 2 years. My heartfelt thanks to our patrons, Srimati Nagarathamma, Medha Kasturi Ranga Shetty, and Shri Kasturi Ranga Shetty, for not only believing in education, but also in imparting education through the NMKRV College. Special thanks to the Master of Ceremony, Shri Dodukariappa Sir, HOD, Chemistry. As Nelson Mandela rightly has said, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Our RV tagline also says, go change the world. Wishing you, the first few students, an ocean of good luck for the upcoming 2 years. I know for sure that great success will be yours in the end. A happy, joyful, worth it journey for you. Thank you one and all. Have a wonderful stay in NM PU College. Thank you.